morning everyone, welcome to Kiwiana. We're here at old Mount Egmont, Mount Taranaki. Going to show you this really cool thing real fast. This historic Dawson Falls power station, 1899. This is the oldest generator, water generator thing's called, what do you call them? It's the oldest one in the world, still running, and probably one of the only ones I believe that's still actually running and used like daily, which is pretty awesome. 2 minutes walk, but it's literally like right here up these stairs. It's like 2 minutes to get there, and it's literally right here. Rained by water. That's pretty awesome. Oh no, that's the breeze. Powering the park. You can see that. More than a century ago, this power station generator was used by the NZ Defence Forces to defend the Wellington Harbour and helped run the Wellington cable car before coming to the park. It's thought to be the oldest continuously operating power generator in the world, and it's now maintained by the Department of Conservation. The generator is powered by water from the tributaries of the Kaponi River and produces a controlled amount of electricity. It was installed in 1934 to power the Dawson Falls Road end, and still does today with some help from the National Grid. Pretty awesome. That's its past. I'll go slow so you can have a little read. Pretty awesome though. Don't see these too often, especially still running. Sorry, Shirley. I know you like me reading those reads. Well, that water coming out. Planets again, sorry, but that's the oldest generator in the world. Well, not the oldest generator in the world, but the oldest one, still continuously running daily, producing power. It produces power for the local lights up here as well at Mount Egmont, or Mount Taranaki. Your fuse box. Ordered by Taranaki Electricity Trust. Dawson Falls Power Station. Opened in 1935, the Dawson Falls Power Station is a rare survivor of early small power stations. Taranaki led the way in the construction of such small hydro stations. Of particular note is a DC generator, built by General Electric Corporation of the United States in 1901. It is believed that prior to its installation here, it served a cowboy and cable car. It is the oldest generator continuously operating in New Zealand and amongst the oldest operating in the world. Institution of Professional Engineers New Zealand includes something unveiled in 2005. Another look from it, but hard to get a good angle on this thing through the glass, but it's pretty amazing. It's pretty cool. An original building. Whoop. Look at that piece of beautiful machinery. She's a beauty. It's a beauty, it's a rock star. Is that better? What a piece of beauty, isn't it? See the wrenches on the right side? It's got the original old tools. Pretty incredible when you think about it. It's pretty amazing. This whole place is still running and still giving electricity to the lodge behind us, which is at the top of the hill here, under the mountain. Pretty amazing, really. Another angle. You see this beautiful old hut, beautiful old building. Yeah, just a short little video about the old power station back there. Much love and thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Ciao. Hey, welcome to Kiwiana. Still here at the Mount Egmont. I got watch where I'm going. Here's my sister. Seen her in a few videos now. And the Steve's. And go show you Dawson's Falls. Pretty beautiful. Get here where we are before we start work this afternoon. Sister was kind enough to bring me up here. So gonna have a look here. These old trees, all the moss on them. Covered in moss. It's pretty wet in here. Had a bit of heavy rain lately. So the falls should be like extra juicy, extra wet, extra good. We've been trying to get to this place for a while, but every time I come here, it's been a bit wet. So making the most of it now, where we can. It's pretty awesome. There's actually like a place where you can actually go for a swim, like these little rock slides. You can like hop on this rock and slide down. That should be cool. We're doing the Dawson Falls one. There's actually, I want to go check out that hut another time. That check down there, it'd be quite cool. But for now, let's do the walk here. Look at all the moss on the trees everywhere. It's just covered in moss. First bit of filming I've got to do for a while because this has been too wet and been quite busy working. So we'll be hitting the road again another week or so. Then back into the adventure. For now, gonna go along here. Got my winter pants on, my winter boots. And so much moss here. There's a lot of moss around here. Look at it all. Over all the trees. So you know it's damp in here. Everywhere. Oh. Rock here around here. Yeah. Definitely tell you don't get much sunshine in this bush. It's all the moss and everything everywhere. Yeah, that river in the background. It's over that way somewhere. Bloody beauty. First glimpse of the river. That'd be something cold water, that one coming from the snowy mountain. Oh, mountain water. Gotta be careful with this phone because it's so slippery. I don't know why they make these phones so slippery, but it is so slippery. Careful not to drop it. Definitely need to get a new phone. I've been looking at these, I think they're called Rugged. I think that's an American phone. Uoli or something, a Rugged. Oh, I think it's called Rugged phone or something. They look really amazing though. See town out there in the distance. Let's see, this my phone having a spasm. All the way down to the river below. All the way down there. Oh, we're up in Dawson's Falls. I was going to take it down. There's a school group down there. Don't really want to get in the way. We'll take out the other lookouts and have a good look out. Beautiful mountain up there, covered by clouds now. Don't think much as blue as before and clear, now it's all cloudy again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll make something out of that. I'll probably add these videos together. Much love and ciao for now. Have a great week.